Howdy folks, Sage here at Ranch Armor, here today with another install video. Today we're going to be doing a Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT metal top. So we're going to go ahead and start with the tools and all the pieces you need to go ahead and bolt this down, and we'll get into the wiring here in just a minute. So to start out, you're going to have 7/16 by 1-inch bolts with 6 washers there, 6 washers there, and then your 6 nuts. You're going to need a 7/16 wrench, 7/16 socket, a 14 mil shallow socket on a swivel. It's going to help, I promise. You'll see here why here in a little bit. 2 loop clamps, and then obviously your handy dandy impact. Well, let's get into it. Alright, so now that we've got our roof up, you're going to want to go ahead and adjust it. Make sure that the holes inside the roof here, up in this channel, line up with the OEM holes on the unit itself. Then we take our 7/16 bolt and washer and just slide it on up into the hole. Then you'll take another one of these washers and put it on top here. So that way there's a washer on both sides and all the weight is evenly distributed. Alright, so now that we've got our bolts in all 6 positions, and if you want to come over here you can see we've got one up here, one right here, 2 right here in the center with those loop clamps that we talked about, and then the same on this other side right there, and then another one up there. So to start out, what we're going to do is go ahead and take our 14 mil on the swivel socket and take out this bolt right here. Find your angle. Take your 14 mil on a swivel socket, and we can start with this bolt right here. Go ahead, get yourself all lined up, and take it on out. Then you'll swap back over to your 7/16 with a 7/16 wrench, and go ahead and screw it down tight. Alright, once you've got your roof all cinched down, then you're going to take a 1/4-inch drill bit and you're going to drill a hole right there. Next, you'll take your cone bit and you're just going to waller it out. Just like that right there. Then we'll switch back to our 1/4. We're going to drill another one just above, if you have the tip out windshield, just above the lower bracket. Now we're ready to run our wire. Make sure you've got a grommet on one end already, and then you just drop it in and feed it through. Then you can take your other grommet, go ahead and run it up the length of your wire, and then insert them into the holes. After that, if you want to come over here, around the frame, there's an opening in the plastic. Drop your wire down into there, and then you can reach underneath the hood and pull it on out. And now we'll get into the wiring here in just a minute. So, for your wiring, I went ahead and pre-wired all this because there's not enough room underneath this hood for y'all to be able to see what I'm doing. But I know I can explain it in a way that it'll make sense. So to start out, you're gonna have this little plastic tube right here. This runs all the way to the back of the unit into your battery box. So you're gonna run the wire that we give you, it comes in the kit, through here. Don't hook anything up yet. Once you pull it out this side, you can go ahead and attach your negative, and your positive you're gonna attach down here to your breaker. You can go ahead and attach those because remember, we're not attached to the battery yet. That is going to be the very last step we do. Then you're gonna take another piece of wire and connect your breaker up here to your relay. Now on this relay, you're gonna have two posts, just like you can see right there. You're always going to put your negative on the battery side. The black wire, your negative, goes on the battery side. And then your positive will go on this other post. You're gonna bring these up here. And then just like you can see, positive and negative, you can go ahead and hook those two up as well. Then, if you remember from whenever we drilled our roof earlier, or drilled our side roll bar there, that's going to also run down here. This is it right here. You can kind of see it. It runs a little bit further back up in there. So you're going to take your negative, run it up here to this already, yes, admittedly very crowded negative post. It will work, as you can see right here, it's on there. And then your positive, you're going to take and you're going to put it on the other end of your relay. And then there you have your key hot. Then, if you come with me to back here, this particular unit, it's a little bit crowded back here as well, but our battery wire right here, we've got hooked up, red to positive, and then further back, kind of hard to see, you've got your negative right in there. Once you get those all hooked up and tightened down, go ahead and turn on your unit. And it looks like we have light music. And there you have the Kawasaki Pro FXT metal top. If you have any questions, visit our website at rancharmorutv.com. Thanks and have a good day.